It's really beautiful flowers with sugar and chocolate. Of course, no worries, we can always reuse the sugar. Perfect. Once you have your sugar dome here, let's take your chocolates that I dye in different color, and you're gonna do some little circle like this, and you let it sit here. Same with another color, and let it sit here room temperature. Once your chocolate is set, you have this beautiful decoration with some sparkling sugar on the top. It's beautiful. Let's keep going with our cake. Let's build now our cake. So here, just a regular sponge cake. I'm gonna pipe some white buttercream all around the cake. Perfect. On the inside, we're gonna cover it with the color of your choice. Guess either pink or blue. Perfect. Once you have your two colors, let's add some fresh fruit. Make sure to have your fruit inside. We don't want to ruin the surprise. Perfect. And the second layer, push a little bit down. Perfect. And cover it again with the white buttercream. Perfect. A little bit on the top. And you're gonna start smoothing everything to have a perfect layer of white buttercream. Beautiful. Once you have your cake here, you're gonna use the rest of the buttercream that I dye with blue. Beautiful. Once you have your blue, let's do the pink. Perfect. And I'm gonna decor as well the top of my cake. So let's pipe some white buttercream. Beautiful. Once you have your white buttercream, I'm just gonna do the bottom of my cake with some little pearls. It's gonna take a little while to do this all around my cake, but the result will be so pretty. Perfect. Look at this beauty. Amazing. But now we're gonna do the top decoration here. So here we have our little dome of buttercream that we leave in the freezer, and I'm gonna put it on the cake just like that. And with some chocolate that I dye in black, I'm just gonna start drawing on the top of my cake. Once you have your little decoration on the top of your cake, I'm just gonna finish it with a little nice touch here. So beautiful. And let's add our decoration on the top. I have my decoration here. Beautiful. Let's take this cake and look at this. We have a beautiful baby shower cake. So is it a boy or a girl? Let's find out together. And it's a girl! Congratulations! Ooh, that is pretty.